This is a front beginning to move into the northwest. It marks the beginning of an active spring-like weather pattern throughout much of the week. For today, the rain is moving into this evening, even some snow. Snow levels are dropping Monday night into Tuesday morning. A big cool down arrives for Tuesday. High temperatures are cooling down about 15 degrees and periods of rain through Friday. That's what I mean by this active weather pattern. We have one storm system after another that will continue that chance for showers all week long. We're looking at the water vapor imagery again. This shows moisture content. Those areas that do have a lot of moisture in the air are enhanced to show pinks, but this shows our front draped across the northwest at this time, and the cold air arrives tonight behind this front. Ahead of it is some showers, and that's what we'll be dealing with for today. That's what we're dealing with this morning along the I-5 corridor. Some showers are developing ahead of this frontal system. Right now, those showers are pushing through Josephine County, Glendale, Grants Pass, Cape Junction, and western Siskiyou County, all seeing a little bit of rain falling this morning. So timing this system out throughout the next 48 hours, you will see that the rain really starts to intensify into this evening. It becomes more widespread tonight. This is about 7:30. At this point, it's all falling in the form of rain. Snow levels are around 7,000 feet before dropping tonight to 3,500 feet into tomorrow morning. So at that point, we will have some snow falling. This is about 7:30 for the morning commute. Siskiyou Summit will be watching tomorrow morning. Parts of the Klamath Basin and, of course, the Cascade Passes could be seeing snow above 4,000 feet. A couple inches could accumulate above that, but around 3,500 feet where snow levels are going to be, if there's any accumulation, it's going to be very slushy because ground surfaces are just simply so warm from the past several days. We fast forward into early afternoon on Tuesday. We're catching a break, but then more rain arrives later in the day on Tuesday, and snow levels then are going to be around 4,000 feet. They're rising into Wednesday. So measurable rain is on the way. Not as much in the Klamath Basin elsewhere or compared to elsewhere, but up to an inch is likely up and down the I-5 corridor throughout the next 48 hours, and similar totals at the coast as well. 55 is our high today in Brookings. We are dealing with rain showers throughout the day and your winds increasing throughout the course of the afternoon. Siskiyou County, same story for you. Breezy with showers, mainly the second half of your day. Into this evening is when the showers really start to pick up. 64 is our high in Klamath Falls. For the higher elevations, again, snow levels today around 7,000 feet, dealing with the snow into this evening and for tomorrow morning. Across the Rogue Valley, still pretty mild for today, but cooling down into tomorrow. 71, the high in Medford. Cloudy skies with increasing showers. And then thunderstorms move into the forecast for Tuesday as the cold air really starts to settle in. Rain for the middle of the week, Wednesday and Thursday. For Siskiyou County, looks like your rain is going to be Thursday and Friday. But looking at the 7-day forecast, you can clearly see this is a very active weather pattern. One front after another is moving in to bring us rain and snow in some cases. Again, snow levels down to 3,500 feet Tuesday morning. For the Rogue Valley, we are 71 today, although it is going to feel cooler than that because of all the cloud cover. 56 for a high tomorrow.
So
cooling down quite a bit.
Break the umbrella out again.
Right, you'll need the umbrella throughout the week.
Quite the change, but we really need this.
Boy, do we need this, especially going into fire season.
Yeah. All right, thanks, Alyssa.